What's up, guys? So yesterday a customer brought in a 1997 Winnebago with the 6.5 Detroit, and it basically they have an intermittent problem with it cutting off here and there, and yesterday it just shut off on them on the highway. They already replaced the PMD 3 times, the pump mount driver, thinking that was the issue. And here's the harness for the pump mount driver here to the ECM. So here's that. This is your harness running up. The pump mount driver, I guess it's a relocation kit. It's in the front of the Winnebago up there. And somebody kind of already got in here and did some wacky wiring. They ran 12 volt positive to it at all times through that, because they thought the problem was on this side of the harness, which is actually kind of both. And I'll show you. Let me see if it'll actually start at the moment. Right there, how it cuts off. That's more than likely a pin drift issue, so probably the pins in that connector are loose. I'll actually show you. Whoever did this last really did a great job at connecting this harness. Yep, look at those pins in there. That's your, if I remember from the diagram correctly, that should be a ground pin. They also did a number on those pins in there. So yeah, guys, even even inside of here, it's known as pin drift. These pins could be loose in here, and these wires could be loose. So check for that. They were going through hell trying to figure out what the problem was. So I kind of started with the basic steps, went for the known issues with the 6.5 Detroit, and kind of chased after that. So I'm basically going to repair both ends. I want to add a new connector on this end and a new connector on this end. I'm using the Matco kit. I forget the kit name, but already basically pre-made. You get your six pin plugs, put your wires in, already got the weather packing on them, and you just splice into the harness. Very simple fix. Won't cost them no more expensive PMDs, pump mount drivers, anything. And I'll actually get rid of this, whatever wiring you have going on. Running up there, it's like a 12 volt positive. When, instead of replacing this entire harness, which you probably won't need, I'm just gonna replace both ends. But yeah, if you have any other questions about these 6.5s or anything, leave a comment below. Some other known issues are crank sensors, oil pressure sensor, oil pressure switch, which is down there. But yeah, if you have any other questions, just leave a comment below, and I'll be right there to help you. See you guys.